In this video, I will explain the exercise on page 74. So it talks about reflexive pronouns. When the subject and object are the same. So he hurt himself. Se lastimó a él solo, ¿no? No lastimó a nadie más le lastimó a él. He hurt himself, a sí mismo, okay? And when he fell off the chair, okay? He hurt his sister when he bumped into her, ¿no? O sea, ahí son dos personas distintas, ¿no? No es reflexive. Recuerden que reflexive es como el espejo, ¿no? Ves a ti mismo, a ti misma en el espejo, okay? So, to mean without the help of others, I repaired the television myself, yo solito, ¿no? No recurrí a ningún técnico ni nada, o sea, yo solito lo hice. With enjoy, when there is no direct object. So they enjoyed themselves. Yeah. Enjoy forzosamente necesita un object. Enjoy the show, enjoy the party. I enjoyed myself. Me divertí. Or we enjoyed ourselves at the show. Yeah. Como que la pasamos bien. Nos divertimos en el show. Okay. With by, alone. She went to the cinema by herself. Ella solita. Yeah, o sea, no tuvo ningún acompañante. Okay. So, and then we've got on my own, yeah. I repaired the television on my own, yo solo. Yeah, sin ayuda de nadie más, okay? So, and then she went to the cinema on her own, yeah, sin ningún acompañante. And my own, propio. Now, I wish I had my own room. Ojalá tuviera mi propio cuarto. I saw it with my own eyes, yeah, con mis propios ojos. Each other, el uno el otro, one another, el uno el otro. Es lo mismo. Okay, so they talk to each other, se hablaron, ¿no? Él, ella, él, or they talk to one another, que es exactamente igual. They talk to themselves significa que cada quien está hablando con sí mismo, ¿no? All right, so let's have a look. We've got some mistakes here. I used to live for my own. I used to live on my own. Okay, my printer turns itself off. When it turns itself off, sí, está bien. O sea, a lo mejor después de, no sé, 10 minutos de inactividad, la impresora se apaga sola. All right. Can you help myself? ¿Puedes ayudarme a mí? That doesn't really make sense. So it would just be like, can you help me? Can you help me? Or maybe, can I help myself? O sea, a lo mejor una pregunta para un psicólogo. Oye, psicólogo, can I help myself? O sea, ¿me puedo ayudar a mí mismo? Okay. So, o igual estás en una fiesta y estás preguntando si puedes, o sea, servirte la comida que hay o tienes que esperar a que alguien te sirva. Can I help myself? Yeah, puedo tomar lo que yo quiera. Okay. Robots can't talk to each one another. Hay como que una mezcla horrible entre esos dos. Entonces, one another or each other. Okay. This was her very own invention, sí, ningún problema, sí, una invención muy propia de ella. Have you enjoyed you? No tiene sentido. Have you enjoyed yourself? Okay, I'm actually going to type this. Yourself, okay. He found himself in trouble, yeah, se encontró en un problema. Relax yourself, no se dice eso. Eso es muy como Spanish. Relax, nada más. Now, I know in Spanish say, relájate. But in English, we don't. So I built the model my own. Falta una palabra que es on. Okay, on my own. Claire and Rob met themselves. No, se conocieron uno al otro. They met each other. O si no quieres each other, one another. All right, so themselves no tiene sentido porque se conocieron mutuamente. Okay, right. Well, that's that job done then. Okay, so next one. You need to choose reflexives, object pronouns, blah, blah. So pause the video now and try to answer these questions. So robots are not new as long ago as 400 BCE. The philosopher and mathematician Archytas, I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation, built a wooden bird, ¿no? Un pajarito de madera that could fly on its own, que podía volar por su cuenta. Okay. And in the 17th century, Johann Muller created both an iron fly, como una mosca, and an artificial eagle, ¿no? That could take to the air, podría como tomar vuelo, by itself. No, perdón, son dos cosas, by themselves. Ajá, si fuera una sola cosa, o sea, un solo animal, un solo modelo sería itself. Pero aquí estamos hablando tanto de la mosca como el águila, entonces themselves. Okay. These days, robots are everywhere, but I sometimes ask myself, me llego a preguntar, me pregunto a mí mismo, pues, I ask myself, whether they're a good thing. There are even robot dogs that we can have as pets and mascotas, but I can't imagine buying one myself, ¿no? En mi caso muy particular, no creo que me compre uno. For a start, para empezar, I can't believe we'd ever imagine to communicate with, we'd ever manage to communicate with them, ¿ya? Nunca podríamos comunicarnos con los animales robot, unlike, a diferencia de, real animals. I suppose there is some point, si tiene algún caso, in having a robot helping us, ayudándonos, in our daily lives. Like doing the household chores, limpiar la casa, that some people can't do themselves. Como es people, hay personas, hay gente que no puede hacerlo sin ayuda, entonces themselves, ¿no? Or doing a mechanical job in a factory. But I wouldn't want a robot carrying out a delicate operation, ¿no? Como una cirugía muy delicada, on me in a hospital. Para mí que me opere un robot, como que no. I'd rather the surgeons did it themselves. Los cirujanos lo hicieran ellos mismos, themselves. Okay, good. So that's all done. Let's move on. We can discuss this stuff in class. He didn't know what to do. No sabía qué hacer. Yeah. For example, you could say, I don't know how to. Yeah, it's a question word. I didn't know which to choose. ¿Cuál escoger? Okay. Why it happened? ¿Por qué sucedió? Question word and clause. Pues eso se me hace raro porque eso de how to download, o sea, realmente no es un clause, ese pertenece aquí arriba. Pero bueno. I don't know how it happened. No sé cómo sucedió. I don't know where it was made. No sé dónde fue fabricado. Okay. So anyway, Mike can't use a camcorder. Entonces, no sabe cómo. Mike doesn't know how to use a camcorder. Fine. When you've done the things I want you to do, you can go out. You can go out when you have done, cuando hayas hecho, when you have done, cuando hayas hecho, what I want you to do, lo que yo quiero, deseo que tú hagas, okay? We don't know the right places to find the information. No sabemos dónde encontrar la información. We aren't sure where to find, dónde encontrar, where to find the information, okay? I'm not sure which person I should believe. I don't know who to believe. No sé a quién creer. Who to, perdón, me falta un no. I don't know who to believe. I'm making a mess of this. All right, good. So, and we'll discuss these ones in class. So as always, guys, I hope this info was useful.